We are parked in one of these pull-offs about 30 miles out of Chicken, Alaska.
This is the Taylor Highway, Highway 5 to Chicken, Alaska. It's a little bumpy. Got quite a few frost heaves, but it's still smoother than the Alaskan Highway that we were on over there south of Tok.
Yeah, yeah.
Or coming up from Haynes. But anyway, we're gonna make it.
Y'all can see that this is super rough. It's like a roller coaster, bump after bump after bump.
They should call this the bumpy highway.
Yeah. Man.
Oh. That's rough in there.
Yeah, more gravel, y'all. More gravel. The thing about the gravel is you have to watch the people coming from the other direction so they don't throw a rock and hit your windshield. We had that happen to us in Canada. Thank goodness a rock didn't hit us.
Yeah, one did too. It didn't hit the windshield.
Yeah, but
Hit the roof.
Yeah.
Off a semi that flew around us.
Uh-huh.
He was passing us.
He thought he had the right of way.
He thought he had to fly. Threw gravel all over everybody.
Uh-huh. Yep.
I mean, go fast if ain't nobody around you, but when you go fast on these gravel roads, you can throw rocks on people. That's what cracks these windshields.
Yeah. I mean, the weird thing is, the gravel part is smoother than the paved part. And we're about to get to some more paved part. Oh boy.
Chicken RV Park. Chicken Creek, Chicken Gas.
Chicken, chicken, chicken. Town of chicken.
I'll turn here.
Yep.
Chicken Gold Camp.
It said turn on Airport Road.
Ambulance Station, Fire Danger. Was that it right there? That's it right
I have no idea.
Turn right onto the unpaved road,
Yes,
then
indeed.
take the first left.
there. Told me to turn back there.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the RVers.
Holy
This
mackerel.
must be their RV park.
Wow. It's a little packed in here, y'all. Just a little packed.
It's the Gold Panner. Wow. Look at that gold. Whole bucket full right there. Hey, I'm in the right place.
That's it. Wow.
$4.79 for gas. I guess diesel's probably gonna be the same.
Wow.
But I'm not sure.
The pump is locked.
Yeah, they're all.
Only in chicken, y'all.
Morning, how you doing? Good. All right.
Oh, and his shirt says pluck it.
Sure, I gotta get diesel.
That's hilarious. Y'all see the big chicken over there? So look here. He's pumping our gas.
Yeah, high side, get the
Chicken.
washboardy on the insides.
Oh, there's the cafe.
Drive traffic, so if you can, just swing it.
They have a gift shop up here. This RV park in here is packed, y'all. I'm talking, it is packed. A lot of Airstreams in here. Maybe they have a meetup here, huh? I don't know. Y'all, this is the Chicken Creek Cafe. Look at the pies. Chicken pot pie and fruit pies. Cookies. Look at this dessert. Very cool. There's the menu. Awesome. This is very cool, y'all. Very cool. Y'all, this is our chicken pot pie slice. It's not cheap. $27.95 for this meal right here with a Diet Dr. Pepper.
Thanks, man.
But I took a bite. Oh my gosh, it's super good.
Yep.
Let's see Mr. Childers taste his.
Fresh too.
Yes.
Just made like a little while ago.
All right.
So we usually then we'll freeze some of them, and they're still good. We nuke them, but getting them fresh out of the oven is the way to have it.
Really good. I love it.
Okay,
My kind of.
here's
like that.
his taste.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
It's really good.
All right, we recommend this place, y'all. Mm-mm.
Free camping.
Yep,
Now the big lot in the back you can stay in, if it's not full.
right. Free camping. I love it. That's where we got the chicken pot pie. They have all kinds of other pies. Fantastic. There's the saloon. And we bought some stuff here in the Mercantile. Pretty nice place. This is a super busy place. You see the sign there where it says free camping? Yes, our kind of place. Woohoo! Look at there, a chicken roosting in the tree. Y'all like Bobby's new shirt? He loves that shirt.
Love it.
Bye, chicken. We enjoyed.
10-4.
Yep. And off we go to the border. Woo-hoo. We're not going to Eagle this time.
Big gold mine up there, Goldfield.
Yep, we're trying to get to the border. Yes, we're still on this gravel road.
It's gravel all the way.
This is
from
the
Chicken.
Y.
Yep.
Yeah, it's gravel all the way to Chicken. How many miles?
At least, well, right at 50.
50 miles on a gravel road, y'all.
Close to, well, maybe it's 40. I'm not sure.
It was a lot. It was a lot.
We ain't done yet.
Oh, and it's a little rough.
We ain't done.
Yay, we found pavement. Woohoo!
We struck gold.
Yeah, we did.
Black tar gold.
Oh, God, does that feel good or what?
That's awesome. My butt's been vibrating for the last 30 miles. I won't never be the same.
Oh, smooth sailing from here. Woo! We changed time zones. Oh, we're about to cross the border, y'all. Into Canada. Woohoo! Let us know in the comments what y'all thought the Yukon was gonna look like. Different time zone, y'all. And we're back on gravel road.
We go right back. I
Yep.
think there's a stop area up here at the top.
We're at 4219 right this minute.
We're going to be up about 45 here in a minute. Maybe 5, I don't know. And that goes up.
To the top of the highway. Top of the world. To the top of the world.
You're top of the world up here.
On the highway.
I guess it's the highest highway and top of the world.
Oh. Okay. Y'all, we're on top.
Look at that.
Oh, is this it right here? Uh-oh. everybody comes. All right, we made it to the top. The elevation is like 4,500 feet. And yes, we have been in higher elevations than this, but this is what they call top of the world in Canada. I don't know if you can see the road out there. Let's see if we can zoom in. There you go. There's the road. There's a few bugs here, y'all. The mountains are a little hazy because of the fires in Canada. We're gonna go find us a place to park.